All right, so here we've got a tour of room 207 at the Rawley Resort in Ports Severn. You can see we've started unpacking a little bit. Got the some more luggage here. It's nice for them to provide a cart for us to haul all our booze and snacks in for the week. And you can see here, you come in, there's a closet on the right, which we'll make some use of, I presume. Whoa. And here's the main living room. The couch looks pretty nice. A coffee table, chair, fireplace. You can see the entrance to the deck is out there. We'll get there in a minute. TV, little kitchenette. Tracy unpacking our stuff. A little mini fridge, unfortunately kind of small. But you can see we've got a sink here, microwaves, some cutlery, good for snacks. King size bed, looks like a very good size. The drapes here closed down, so it'll be nice and dark at nighttime for sleeping. It's quite nice. Another closet over there. Nightstands. Ooh, looks like USB charger on the table there. That is nice. I like that. There's the bathroom. The light switch is here. Good size shower. Very good size shower. There are sinks, 2 sinks, divorce-proof sinks. Excellent. No bathtub. Oh well. Towel rack. Huh, only 1 towel. Oh, no, there's some more towels down here. Hopefully some more, no, nothing there. Yeah, more towels over there, good. Lots of towels, always needed. There's a little room here, which is, I guess, like a little desk area. I don't really see the point of this, honestly. A little bigger kitchen would be more useful. But, let's go on to the porch here. Quite nice here. I'll change the camera angle on the phone here. See the view out to the right here. We're on the end unit, which is nice. We get a little extra view off to the side. You can see this spa building, pool. Let's do a little zoom there. You can see the pool in the background there. Some more rooms. I guess those are the more expensive cottages on the resort. In the background there. Down below, you can see the patio for the restaurant. We'll go in there later tonight. The menu looked very good. Just to check that out later. There's a porch, it's huge. Got 2 loungers here. Sit and lounge. Got the sun, which is nice. Another table over here to have your snacks on or drinks. On to the side there. See the water, some boats there. I guess some people must come in their boats and maybe spend a night or 2 here. So, do a better zoom here. See the water in the background. It's very nice. All right, now we're outside. You can see the large cottage to the left there, spa area, also the pool in between. There you can see where we're staying, up on the 2nd floor on the far left. See the restaurant down below. And there's some kind of a lighthouse thing on the top. I don't know what that's all about. We'll have to investigate that later. And then some smaller cottages down here, which are kind of interesting. And we zoom around towards the lakeside. You can see some boats there. Zoom in a bit. See some nice cruisers parked here. Go along the lakeside here. See some nice trees. Another nice sized yacht. It's a pretty nice resort. All right, so we're down at the dock here at Rawley, and looks like some guests pull up in their cruisers. I'm gonna have to zoom out here. They got the whole thing in here. This is a 41-foot sport bridge. Looks pretty nice. You can see the up top, the little fly bridge. As we walk down a little further, we'll zoom in a bit. You can see another Toronto, Ontario boat. It's pretty nice. Looks like a 50-footer. As you can see, it's quite a bit bigger. Got a little party section set out here. So you can see the whole thing. It's quite a nice boat. And we got one more smaller boat down there. Yeah, all right.